Good afternoon to you. Police say they are thankful the search for an officer's missing gun and badge is over.
Someone stole those items from a Frankfort police officer's unmarked car earlier this week. The car was locked and parked in his driveway at the time. As Hillary Thornton shows us, while the items have been recovered, the investigation's not over with. It's our top story at 5.
The big announcement at that joint news conference was that a stolen police badge and gun are now off of the streets. However, investigators also discussed their belief that the police car was targeted as part of a larger break-in scheme. They also say they do not think the suspects had any intentions of impersonating a police officer.
Probably known that it was a police car, but other than that, I don't think they had any idea until they got into it what they were actually what was there.
Earlier this week, Frankfort police say an unmarked department vehicle parked in the driveway of an officer's home was broken into. Officials say the suspect stole a gym bag from that vehicle. Inside that bag was a captain's badge and a Glock 27 handgun.
We are very, very thankful to have this property back in our care and custody.
Those items now back where they belong thanks to a tip called into the sheriff's office, leading to the recovery of the handgun at one location and the bag and badge at a different location, both in Franklin County.
We will be presenting a case to the Franklin County Grand Jury on Tuesday, where several suspects we would anticipate being indicted at that proceeding on Tuesday with the Commonwealth Attorney's Office.
Investigators did not release any other information today, but did say this is a, quote, excellent case, and they say they do expect to release more details next week. In Frankfort, Hillary Thornton, WKYT.
Sheriff Melton says the rash of car break-ins is taking place in both the city and the county, including Evergreen Estates, Highwoods, Silver Lakes, and Indian Hills.